Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing this morning?
Can't hear you.
Thank you so much for being here at the Sally Dark Rides booth. We are so excited to share wonderful news with you all. And happy IAAPA week. Can we just say that? Happy IAAPA. Well, this has been an incredible year for Sally Dark Rides. We have opened 3 dark rides this year, and just a few months ago announced a 4th. And man, is it a good one. Today, we are thrilled to finally share more details about the next family dark ride from our team, SpongeBob SquarePants Crazy Carnival Ride. This amazing ride is possible because of our trust and partnership we have with Circus Circus, Paramount, and Nickelodeon, all of which are here today. And to tell you more about this exciting project, please welcome General Manager of Circus Circus, Shayna Garrity.
Good morning. How is everyone? Circus Circus is located in Las Vegas, right on the Las Vegas Strip. We've been servicing millions of customers every year for the last 55 years. Circus Circus is truly a family-friendly property, and we have 25 plus rides underneath 5 acres of an indoor theme park, including world-class circus acts and a midway. Recently, we began revitalizing Circus Circus from the outside in. We were doing pretty pink paint top, say that 5 times twice, and then moved into the inside and started redesigning and making that interior pretty as well. Through this process, we found a dead space, and the great folks at Sally's, Paramount, and Nickelodeon have all partnered with us to create SpongeBob SquarePants. We are truly amazed at the incredible talent on each team, and we are looking forward to presenting to you guys SpongeBob SquarePants in early 2024 at Circus Circus. So on behalf of everybody at Circus Circus, thank you. Thank you for your hard work, and they are working tireless hours to create this experience for everybody, and we truly look forward to it. So thank you all so much, and we look forward to what the future looks like.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for having us here today. I'm so excited to announce to you all the SpongeBob Crazy Carnival ride that's coming soon to Circus Circus in Las Vegas. SpongeBob SquarePants has brought an incessant optimism to children and families all over the world. It's SpongeBob SquarePants is actually distributed. It has over 100 million fans across social media. It's distributed in over 170 countries. It's been translated in over 30 different languages, and it sees over 100 million viewers every quarter. So I think it's been, the most watched animated series, for the past 21 years. It's an incredible IP. We're so pleased that it's being activated in this way. SpongeBob's inspired toys and plush, accessories, apparel. It's home decor. It's even, believe it or not, got its own Tony Award-winning Broadway musical. And now, thanks to these guys, he has his very own first ever dark ride. So we're very excited about it. It's been such a pleasure to work with Sally and with Circus Circus to bring this ride to SpongeBob fans, and we couldn't be more excited about it. One of the strategic elements for us at Paramount is to work with partners that are truly best in class. And I think both Sally and Circus Circus embody that brilliantly, and we're so privileged to have worked with you both to bring this forward. So we're so excited to bring this ride to all the SpongeBob fans. I want to say thank you. Thank you to our partners. Thank you to our team. And thank you to everybody for being here today as they unveil this brilliant, crazy, wonderful attraction. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, Marie. And thank all of you for coming. I'm John Wood, Chairman and President of Sally Dark Rides. And I want to tell you a little bit about the story behind this dark ride. Not only was it a story to make it happen, but the story of the dark ride itself. You see, Mr. Krabs has come up with a new plan to make money, and it's to have a carnival. And he's asked SpongeBob and Patrick if they would go get the game implements to use for this great ride. I mean, this great carnival. Well, they picked up the wrong boxes. And when they opened the boxes, they found that they had Krabby Patty ingredients. They had tomatoes and lettuce and the patties and the buns. And they didn't know what to do, but they'd opened for business. And Krabs says, get going. But they didn't tell Krabs that they were using the ingredients for the Krabby Patties. So they go through and they have a lot of fun throwing their patties instead of darts. And yet this gives an opportunity for the nemesis of Plankton, sorry, I went blank, but Plankton, to see that he might have a chance to steal the formula for this great Krabby Patty. So the process has a couple of different storylines. Eventually, I think we win, but we want to show off one of the characters, the character of Mr. Crab. So without further ado, let's reveal the greeting.
Don't be fooled by cheap imitations. Put your trust in me, Eugene H. Krabs, proud proprietor of the Krusty Krab, the exclusive home of the one and only Krabby Patty.
Our creative team is led by our Chief Creative Officer, Rich Hill, who's behind us here. Behind this display, we have a POV video and number of storyboards so you get more information.
You there! Yeah, you with the shirt. I'll make you a deal. If you head inside and play me carnival games right now, I'll give you a chance to go through a second time. By getting back in line.
So if you have any questions, feel free to talk to Rich or any of our representatives or Paramount or Circus Circus. Thank you all for coming. And go to Las Vegas and ride SpongeBob's Crazy Carnival.